When you feel it's hopeless, when you
Hello everyone, today I would be sharing with you how to get this quick lavender smoky eye look. Highlighting crease line is complex process and is time consuming, but I'll demonstrate before you how to get this done easily. If you are interested, then please continue watching this tutorial. Links to the products that I would be using in tutorial are mentioned in the description box below. To purchase, please check. I'm using Faces Canada palette and picking this eyeshadow for my outer V. I'm packing this eyeshadow on my outer V using pencil brush. After you're done filling your outer V, slowly begin moving towards the crease. Apply the same eyeshadow on your crease. Move the brush in circular motion for smokiness. To intensify my outer V, I would be using this deep brown eyeshadow. I'm applying on my outer V. To intensify my outer V, intensity on your outer V should be deeper. Blend it with the crease eyeshadow. Next, I'm picking this eyeshadow and packing on my eye mid. Next, I'm using this lavender shimmery eyeshadow for my inner corners. This is a very beautiful lavender tone shimmery eyeshadow in the palette. Do not cross your crease line. Pull it towards the mid eyeshadow to blend it with the mid eyeshadow. Now I'm highlighting my crease line using liquid eyeshadow. I'm using liquid eyeliner wand. You have to use a liquid eyeliner wand because the wand that comes with liquid eyeshadow is different. You cannot highlight your crease line using that wand. Use a liquid eyeliner wand. Place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand. Clean the excess. If you clean excess, there's nothing below, and you place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand and begin applying, then you'll be easily able to highlight your crease line. Be patient here. This is time consuming step. It will take considerable amount of time for you to highlight your crease line, but you'll be able to achieve it within 5 minutes after multiple attempts. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is from Insight. This is very affordable, glossy and shiny. This is peel off eyeliner. It's good. It's worth purchasing. After creating winged eyeliner, I would be creating pointed inner corner. After this, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using kajal from Color Bar. Next, I'm packing outer V eyeshadow. First eyeshadow, that which I used for outer V, apply the same on your lower lash line. I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes now. Intensify your eyelashes while coating mascara on them. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.